And then on the other side, which is, if you're closing this, you're going to see this end here with the red cap. And then you are going to take the red cap, but don't throw this away. I always keep it because you want to definitely close the needles right here. You don't want it getting clogs, and you don't want it getting spills all over. So I'm going to go ahead and check, do a quick exam. And of course, we want to seals on the top of the metals frame and charms and beads, but then you are going to not seals on the top of the crystal. You're going to check on the base of the crystal, like this one right here. I feel scratchy. Next time you feel scratchy like this, and it's really like you see that's the edges that need to seal, you are not going to use too much, just little, go a long way. So I'm going to squeeze just a little bit, but do not do it yet until you feel it. And then you're going to squeeze it right here. And then absolutely, you can definitely repeat it as you needed it. But make sure that each layer that you are going to seal your precision glue gel, make sure you key it first. Key it first between the each layer you are going to seal. So I would key it for like flash key for 30 seconds before you are going to do it again, seals again. So I'm gonna open on the other end, and I am go ahead and seals on the top of the big like dollar size right here. And then we are going to key it for 60 seconds. Great.